Hi, my name is Aruhi Rao. I am a fresh graduate from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, RVCE. And I'm here to talk about the recent project that we're going through right now. It's under the ASA program, which is German-funded program. And it is in collaboration with FH Dortmund, RVCE, two other universities, which is NIE Mysore and Universidad de Colombia, which is in Medellin in Colombia. And I'm here to talk about what exactly our project is about. So what I'm working on is decentralized energy production, which basically means microgrids. What are microgrids? So they are smaller scale grids that can be isolated from the main grid. Why do we need these? So the main reason for this is because in some areas, like the forest areas, you can't have power lines running through those areas. There are certain rules and restrictions, and so the people who used to live there were forced out and had to relocate. These people now live on the outskirts of that area. It's called the Jenu Karuba tribe, and they have no access to power since constructing power lines take a lot of resources, a lot of energy, time consumption. The government has to approve these things. So for reasons like this, we need to have some sort of a solution. There is already a microgrid set up there for these people, the tribal community over there. There are already a microgrid there, but these microgrids are not being utilized to the extent that they could. They are over-generating, and we need to come up with a way that they could use this excess energy and put it into something that would help them sustain their future. Teach them about what the microgrid is actually about and how they can utilize it to the best. From the technical aspect of it, we are also doing forecasting. So I am working on the AI ML part, which is trying to forecast and predict the load consumptions, trying to use this data that we are collecting from them in a good way to actually make the microgrid more reliable, responsive, and better efficiency. How could we turn this into a better project over there? So we're trying to focus on that right now. During this project, I was in Germany for 3 months, and now we're working here for another 3 months. So the German part of this project was actually eye-opening because the number of collaborations, number of places visited, the number of people that I interacted with, it made me gain a new insight into perspective, because we come from a place where you might, not know how other people think. So being exposed to this international collaboration has been eye-opening. It has helped me gain a wonderful insight into perspective and has also made me gain experiences that I will always remember and love and cherish. I am also extremely grateful to the people who have been able to give us this opportunity, and I would like to name Professor Martin Kiel, Professor Vinod Rajmani, and Dr. Sushmita Sarkar from RVC. The first two professors are in FH Dortmund, and one is part of the electrical department over there, and he has helped me throughout this process. We've had weekly meetings to touch up on everything that we've done so far. So I'm extremely thankful to these three professors who have facilitated the project and helped us move in the right direction. Thank you.
Namaste. My name is Vihan Menon, and I'm a student of FH Dortmund in Germany. I'm currently studying mechanical engineering with a focus on energy technologies. And I'm currently based in Bengaluru, where I'm working on a collaborative effort with FH Dortmund, RV College of Engineering, NIE Mysore, Universidad de Medellin, Colombia. The project is centered around a microgrid, which has already been constructed in Hunsur Taluk near Mysore. What our team's goal is to optimize this microgrid as far as possible and ensure that any excessive energy being produced is converted into a variety of quality of life improvements for the locals of the area. Beyond that, this project is also hugely about social and cultural engagement, and me and my 3 German colleagues have actually already been to the cities of Mumbai, Bangalore, and naturally we were originally based in Dortmund. We've had an excellent time in all 3, but especially in Bangalore, I, as a citizen of India, as someone experienced with the culture, got to show them around, have them experience the food, culture, the hospitality, all of which they were amazed by, and the prices. And all in all, we've just had an excellent time here. Looking forward to what the future brings, where we actually get to implement our ideas in India. Hopefully we have another video like this, where I have some progress to share. Can't wait. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dominik Schiffling from Germany, studying mechanical engineering at the FH Dortmund. I am participating at the ASA Program collaboration between FH Dortmund and RV College. My project is about green decentralized energy systems, and I am investigating the possibility of implementation of green hydrogen in these systems. My supervisors are Professor Rajamani from the FH Dortmund and Professor Sushmita from the RV College. I arrived Bengaluru 2 weeks ago, and I really like it so far here. I like the food, especially the people. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shashank, a 2025 graduate from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering from RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. I, along with my teammates Pranav A and Pranav Siddhappa, were given the opportunity to pursue our bachelor thesis at the Technical University of Applied Sciences, Würzburg-Schweinfurt, under the guidance of Professor Minal Moharir and Professor Dominic Seuss as a part of the Erasmus Plus program, which sponsored my stay and time in Germany. Our project objective mainly focused on developing a novel approach for 3D anomaly detection using consistency models. The main objective was to deliver competitive accuracy with state-of-the-art diffusion models while reducing the inference time. During my stay in Germany, I mainly focused on all aspects of the model building, including design and ideation, all the way to testing and validation. And as a result, we were able to deliver competitive accuracy with the state-of-the-art while drastically reducing the inference time to 2 steps, which made it useful for real-world applications. Apart from the technical aspects of this, working with Professor Dominic and his team allowed me to gain a fresh perspective on their work culture and ethics, which is more process-oriented than results-oriented. Overall, apart from the technical aspects, I grew and developed more as a person in life, and I would like to thank RVCE for this opportunity. Thank you.